In this tutorial, we will see how you can remove textures in Roblox in just a few steps, and simply click on this search. Here you can search for Roblox and right-click on it. Then open its file location again. Right-click on that and open file location at the header side. You will see the View button. Click on that, and from this show, make sure the file name extensions option is enabled. After enabling it, simply right-click on it and select New Folder and change its name to Client Settings. Press Enter to save it and now open it. Right-click on that, and from this new folder, select Text Document. Now type the name here as Client App Settings and move the .txt extension to .json, which is the name of the extension. Press Enter and click Yes to change it. You have to right-click on that file and simply select Edit in Notepad, where you will need to type the following code. After typing it, click on File and save it. After saving, you can close it. And now you can open Roblox and launch any game. So that's how you can remove textures in Roblox in just a few easy steps.